class, in science this week we're going to be talking about the coverings of animals' bodies. We're going to start off by talking about humans and their skin. Our covering, skin, covers our whole body and protects our internal organs, like our heart and our lungs. If you look really closely at your arms and the rest of your body, you'll notice that we have fine hair that runs on our arms. So if you look really closely, you might even be able to see some of mine. And then we also have hair on our head. Let's get ready to look at some animals and see what kind of coverings they have on their bodies. Here is Petey. He's our bird, and he has an outer covering of feathers, and his feathers help protect him from weather. They help him fly. And it's different from the covering that we have as humans.
Hey, what about me?
Oh my goodness, Kirby, what are you doing here?
I'm sitting.
I see that. Why are you in our video today?
Because I want to learn what kind of skin I have.
Well,
covering.
we talked about this last week. You're not living, but okay, let's think about this. If you were a real frog, did you know that you would actually have skin too, just like humans? Doesn't that blow your mind?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool, huh? All right, we're gonna check out some other animals. Kermie, if you wanna come with us, you can, okay? It's my son's goose, Silly, and she has a very soft covering of fluff before she's full grown that will eventually turn into feathers. And right now, this is just protecting her body until she's fully grown. You can see the difference between her little fine fluff that she has and Petey's feathers that he has. Soon Silly will have full feathers just like Petey. This is my son's lizard Pud, and he has a different type of covering. Lizards have a harder textured covering that's considered more like scales. This is Pearl, our little Chihuahua dog, and she has fur on her body. This hair protects her body and keeps her nice and warm. If you have an animal, go feel their body and see what kind of covering that their body has. Okay, class, that's the 4 different types of coverings that you needed to learn this week. You learned about skin, feathers, scales, and fur. Now, one of them, scales, was a little bit harder to see on the lizard because it's a softer type of scale. Don't forget that another type of scale is also found on fish. Maybe there's a place somewhere around you. Maybe you have a pet fish, maybe like a pond or something is near you. You could look for something that has scales. If you're outdoors and you're getting to explore, you can look for some of those. Have fun completing your assignments this week and drawing some of these animals and the type of coverings that they have. See you later.